Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, our next topic is about the replication of viruses. But before that, I just want to remind you people that viruses are of different kind and shape. And for example, look at this influenza virus, which is enveloped virus, and you can see the spike and its RNA and the capsid. Next is the bacteriophage, which you have generally seen in different books and different topics in your previous classes. This one is very special kind of viruses for you people, especially because we are to study it in detail, and it's an infectious cycle in tobacco plant. So it is tobacco mosaic virus. Now let's see how viruses replicate within their host. So what is the replication, viral replication or life cycle of replication viruses? You know, viruses can live their life. They can behave in two different ways when enter into their host. They may live a lytic cycle in which they form a master-host relationship with their host cell. They become the master and their host cell become the slave. And next is the host-guest relationship, in which they become the guest and their host become the host. Let's see what are different phases in the replication of viruses. First of all, there is attachment. Attachment, as I told you, it is very specific. Viruses are host specific, and why they are host specific? Every kind of virus requires a receptor site on their host cell, and those cells which do not have a receptor site, specific receptor site for their for the virus, they cannot be infected by the viruses. So you see, this is one of the bacterium. Here is a bacteriophage which attaches to its receptive site. This is actually the receptor site where its virus, its viral tail fiber or attachment fibers are getting attached to this host. As far as this influenza virus is concerned, its host has specific receptor site which are specific for these spikes. In case of influenza virus, the host cell, I mean the human cells, respiratory cells, they have specific receptor site where these spikes can adjust in. So let's see. First of all, there is attachment, and there are attachment fibers, you know, in the bacteriophage, and there are spikes in case of other viruses. So this is the attachment. When a virus attaches to its host specific site, which is called the receptor site, the next step will be the viral entry. Next step to have a viral entry hoga. Viral entry is different in different cells. For example, if you look at this influenza virus, अगर आप influenza virus को देखते हैं तो ये पूरे का पूरा virion जो है, it first of all attaches to the human cells, its spike adjusts to the receptor site, then it pushes the membrane of the host cell. ये host cell की membrane को push करता है, और यूं ही ये host cell की membrane को push करेगा, then it will create a hole inside the host cell. If you can see, if it is the host cell, suppose this is the host cell and here is the virion which is to enter, it will push this membrane and this membrane goes inside, और ये फिर यहाँ पे inside इसके enter हो जाएगा, और थोड़ी ही देर के बाद it will pinches off the membrane. ये membrane को pinch off कर देगा, और ये membrane जो है ये इधर, ये virion पूरे का पूरा यहाँ enter हो जाएगा, और ये मेम्ब्रेन जो है इट विल सील इटसेल्फ अगेन, ये दोबारा से यहाँ सील हो जाएगी. सो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं ये पूरे का पूरा विरियन जो है दैट विल एंटर इनटू द होस्ट सेल. बट एज इन केस ऑफ द बैक्टीरियोफेज यू सी हियर इज द जीनोम ऑफ द बैक्टीरियोफेज विच इट इंजेक्ट्स इनटू द होस्ट सेल, जो कि होस्ट सेल में अपना सिर्फ जीनोम जो है वो दाखिल करेगा. Then the next step is the replication. Now the viral entry is there. After the viral entry, it will as in case of the influenza virus. यहाँ पे कुछ डायग्राम को बहुत अच्छी नहीं मैंने बनी है, but it is just to make you people understand. It will uncoat itself. आप ये अनकोट होगा, एंजाइम जो है इसको अनकोट कर देंगे, इसकी जो कैप्सिड है और इसके जो इन्वेलप है दैट विल बी डिसइंटीग्रेटेड एंड इट्स डीएनए और इट्स जीनोम विल बी रिलीज्ड इनटू द सेल. सो इस केस में तो पूरे का पूरा विरियन दाखिल हुआ और विरियन दाखिल होने के बाद इट विल डिसइंटीग्रेट, ये जो कैप्सिड है और ये मेम्ब्रेन है दिस विल डिसइंटीग्रेट. And after its disintegration there will be just the virions genome, ये इस विरियन का जीनोम जो है वो बाकी रह जाएगा which will definitely try to enter into the nucleus, जो कि न्यूक्लियस में दाखिल होने की कोशिश करेगा बाद में. लेकिन यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि दिस इज़ वायरल जीनोम, ये वायरल जीनोम है और वायरल जीनोम जो है ये इस होस्ट सेल में दाखिल हो गया. But it is not the capsid which is entering inside the cell. Capsid is remaining outside. You see, capsid जो है वो बाहर ही रह रहा है. उसके बाद replication start होती है. This replication is also named as synthesis. इसको हम synthesis भी कहते हैं. All these steps you have studied already in the previous classes. So there will be synthesis. You know, in this case there will be master-slave relationship. ये master and slave relationship होगा in which the viral genome will take over the control of the biosynthetic machinery of the host cell and it will form its own components. ये अपने components बनाना शुरू कर देगा. ये जो इसके कैप्सिड के आप देख रहे हैं these are actually the capsomers. ये capsomers बनते जा रहे हैं and these capsomer will later on assemble to form the complete virion particle. बाद में ये पूरा virion particle जो है वो बन जाएगा. This capsid formation is directed by the viral genome. ये viral genome ही इसको direct करेगा, जबकि जो biosynthetic machinery है host cell की that is now in the control of the viral genome. So only those proteins and those nucleic acid will be formed which will be directed by the viral genome. So there are so many viral genomes and viral capsomers inside the host cell. You see the host cell is now filled up with or teamed up with the viral genome as well as there are capsomers of the viral capsid. Viral capsid के जो capsomers हैं they are also present inside the host cell. So this is synthesis or replication phase of the life cycle of the virion. In the next step there will be assembly. Assembly means getting together. So these capsomers which are present in the host cell they are now assembling themselves in the virion particle, in the virion capsid, and every capsid is getting inside the viral genome. हर capsid के बीच में जो है वो viral genome भी दाखिल हो रहा है. So you see here in the next step you see there will be release of the virion. ये virion जो है ये इनका release भी हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे definitely there is the viral genome as well. Here these are the complete infectious particle. So from this attachment up to the release it require most of the viruses require 6 hours. How many hours? 6 hours are required, which is considered as incubation period for 1 साइकिल, इस एक को 1 साइकिल के लिए इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड कह सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट 6 आवर में ज़ाहिर है इस 6 आवर में बहुत सारे विरियन जो हैं वो रिलीज़ होंगे, दे विल इन्फेक्ट द अदर होस्ट सेल and in the next 6 hours they will be released from the other host cell. So there are hundreds and thousands of virion within 1 day or so. एक ही दिन के अंदर बहुत सारे विरियन जो हैं वो बन जाएंगे. So this life cycle which we discussed of the bacteriophage, जो कि हमने बैक्टीरियोफेज का लाइफ साइकिल डिस्कस किया है, इन विच यू सी अटैचमेंट एंड एंट्री एंड रेप्लिकेशन एंड असेंबलेज एंड द रिलीज. दिस इज एक्चुअली द लाइटिक लाइफ साइकिल. लाइटिक मीन्स the lysis. So in this cycle of the virion, you see there is lysis of the host cell and there is release of the virion from it. In the lysogenic life cycle, there is another kind of relationship between the host and the parasite, I mean this virion. This relationship is now named as host-guest relation. This is host-guest relation. So host-guest relationship में what happens? First 2 steps are the same, I mean attachment and viral entry. But here the replication is of different kind. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं जो वायरल जीनोम है, this green in color is the viral genome. ये ग्रीन कलर में वायरल जीनोम है. It is getting inside the bacterial genome. ये बैक्टीरियल जीनोम में इसकी इंटीग्रेशन हो रही है. There is you may say manipulation of the viral genome into, this is the viral genome and this one is the bacterial genome. So viral genome जो है now it is becoming the part of the bacterial genome. It is also named as prophage or simply the phage. इसको आप prophage भी कहते हैं. Prophage now present inside the host cell. It is host-guest relationship, so there is no harm to the host cell. Host cell के लिए कोई harm नहीं है इसमें. जो वायरल जीनोम है it will be replicated along with the bacterial genome. आप देख रहे हैं जब बाइनरी फिशन के ज़रिए से this bacterial cell will divide into 2. Each of the daughter cell will have viral genome in it. And same is the case in the next progeny. अगली generation में भी आप देख रहे हैं viral genome in the green that is present inside the bacterial genome as a prophage. So this will continue. Whole of the progeny of this bacterial cell which is now having the viral genome in it, whole progeny of it will be containing a prophage, a viral genome in it. Some of these cells of this the progeny of this cell may have some pressure of temperature, pressure of tension, pressure of pH or pressure of some metabolic pressure, whatever. So this lysogenic cycle can convert into this cycle again. तो ये जो लाइसोजेनिक साइकिल है ये दोबारा से इस साइकिल में कन्वर्ट हो सकता है. इट इज़ नेम्ड एज इंडक्शन. इसको फिर हम इंडक्शन कहते हैं. सो यहाँ पे ये भी हो सकता है, फ़र्ज़ कीजिए सपोज दिस सेल इज़ गेटिंग अ रिक्वायर्ड टेम्परेचर वेयर वायरल जीनोम कैन डिटैच फ्रॉम द बैक्टीरियल जीनोम एंड इट कैन हैव अ मास्टर स्लेव रिलेशनशिप अगेन. So whenever there will be master-slave relationship among any of these cells, it will now go on the pathway of lytic life cycle, and there will be bursting of the host cell and virion will be released from it. इसमें से virion जो है वो release हो जाएंगे. So this is a general life cycle of the viruses. आपको समझाने के लिए, जो पहले भी हम छोटी क्लासेस में भी पढ़ चुके हैं. Our next lesson will be specifically the life cycle of the tobacco mosaic virus, which is included in our syllabus. If you have any question, my dear students, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group, and you can also subscribe my channel Nawai Saroshe Biology, where you can get all these lessons, and you can ask question in comments of YouTube channel, and I will try my level best inshallah to answer your question. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.